Banjo. And the race is on. Lively Dude. Fast to begin. Speedmaker. Sir Henry down on the inside. Rushing up high. Earnings. My Jopeng. My Ray. Number 6. Razor Axe. Stormtrooper. Speed of Firm. And yes, Joey is running at the tail of the field. Lively Dude. By a length and a half. Followed by Speedmaker. I Earnings. Racing in third by some 4 lengths. My Jopeng. Sir Henry. My Ray down on the inside, Speed of Firm. Racing on the outside, Razorback, Stormtrooper, and yes, Joey still running at the tail of the field. It's the Lively Dude this time by some 4 lengths. Speedmaker. I Earnings down on the inside, My Jopeng, Sir Henry. And on the outside is Stormtrooper by the Speed of Firm. Lively Dude by some 4 lengths, followed by High Earnings, Speedmaker. Alongside is My Jopeng. Entering the finish line, Lively Dude by some 3 lengths, followed by High Earnings. And finally, Lively Dude, the horse of Miss Rita Pilapil and Alexis second. High Earnings, Sir Henry, Speedmaker, My Ray, My Jopeng.